Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Shiba Inu on any laptop or Windows PC. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, through this video, step by step, I will show you how to mine Shiba Inu on any Windows PC. So guys, open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Once you are here, you will be able to mine different of kinds that you can see it here. Different kinds and tokens are listed here and Shiba Inu is one of them. So guys, the first thing is you need to download the unmineable miner. So for downloading, click on get started. Once you are here, you will see MA5 version and the base version. There you will be able to download these two different versions. So as I've already downloaded the MA5 version, so the next thing is you need a wallet address that you have to download and install the trust wallet inside your Windows PC. I will provide the link of that in the below down description. There is guys how to install and configure unmineable miner on Windows PC. So I will provide the link of this video also in the below down description. So guys, you have to download any of this version and install it on your PC. So guys, let's minimize this and navigate to the unmineable and open it. As you can see guys, the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite unmineable and some mineable coins. On the first window, click on continue. As you can see guys, here is the configuration of the unmineable miner is done with Phoenix miner, so there is no need any configuration. You can only select the GPU or CPU, so I will select the GPU and click on the next option. Here on the coins list, you have to click on this and search for the Shiba Inu. Once you are appear, so here is the Shiba Inu, so simply click on this. Now here you have to paste the wallet address of Shiba Inu, so simply go to the trust wallet. Here is my trust wallet, so simply I will open this and there is click on the receive, copy the address, now paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, so there is the next thing you have to enter the any referral code that anyone referred you. You can see you can lower your fees to 0.75% with the wallet referral code. So click on get started to start mining Shiba Inu. There is guys the coin is Shiba, the payouts, there is the algorithm mining at high intensity worker name. There is the port if you want to change the settings, so simply click on advanced setting. There is you can select your mining intensity, you can change the mining algorithm, and there is the worker name and referral link. So if you want to make changes, simply click on save restore. So guys, the next thing is you can check your mining stats, so simply click on this link. It will redirect you to the unmineable.com. You can check this box, auto pay once a day whenever the balance is over this much Shiba Inu. There is the payments, also the referral link. If you should share your referral link with other people, once they start mining, you will be able to earn 0.25% of referrals mining reward. The next thing is guys, stats. You can check the stats of your mining every day, every 7 days or every 1 month, and you can check the mining stats completely here. So guys, this is the way how you can mine Shiba Inu. So the mining process will start in a few minutes, so wait for it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.